Hi guys, here 9 square is 81 minus 27 divided by 9 times 4. Here this is 81 minus 27 is 54 divided by 9 times 4. Here this is 54 divided by 9 is 6 times this 4. Here 6 times 4 is 20. 4 is the wrong answer. As per the order of operation, this 24 is the wrong answer. Now here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per the PEMDAS, this exponent is higher priority than other operations. So this 9 square is 81 minus 27 divided by 9 times this 4. Now we have subtraction, division and multiplication. Here this multiplication and divisions are higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this before this subtraction. Here both are equal priority. For this we are going to follow this left to right rule. Left to right is this one, 27 divided by 9. So 81 minus 27 divided by 3 times 4. Here we have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than the subtraction. So 81, this is 12. Now here 81 minus 12 is 69 is the correct answer.